Antidote presents how to use watermelon as a natural Viagra alternative. Many people believe that men's sexual performance and sexual function issues can only be cured using medication such as Viagra. However, using this natural remedy can be just as effective, if not even better. The reason is because this remedy is made from aphrodisiacs, which promote sexual feelings. Watermelon is rich in an amino acid called citrulline that relaxes and dilates blood vessels very much like Viagra. It also contains lycopene, which also relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, much like Viagra. Watermelon is good for your health, specifically your sexual health. Here's how to make the natural Viagra. Ingredients: you'll need freshly squeezed lemon juice and a watermelon. Preparation: cut the watermelon into tiny pieces. Blend the watermelon pieces well until you get watermelon juice about 1 liter. Pour the juice in a pot and boil for a few minutes. Add the lemon juice to the watermelon juice. Mix well and boil until the juice is reduced to a half. Place the mixture aside for about an hour to cool down. Pour the juice into a clean glass bottle and keep refrigerated. Before consuming this mixture, be sure to limit your intake of sugars and salts as they can weaken the effects of the mixture. Drink anywhere from 2 tablespoons to 1/3 of a cup of the juice. You should drink this in the morning on an empty stomach, or drink it later in the evening. When consuming on a regular basis, you will begin to notice an increase in your overall sexual performance. This drink can benefit both men and women, regardless of age. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with a friend. For more Blue Antidote videos, subscribe to the channel. For more natural home remedies and recipes, click the link in the description below. Until next time, be happy, be healthy.